What's up guys, Super Geek here, and today we're going to talk about an upcoming tablet from Realme. Realme already released an affordable tablet in India called Realme Pad, and that tablet did good, but it cannot stand out compared to the Xiaomi Pad 5 or Samsung's flagship Tab S8 series tablets. So now Realme is all set to launch a flagship grade tablet to take on all these flagship tablets from brands that are already in the market. Recently, some promotional material has been leaked for this upcoming tablet from Realme, which reveals almost every specification for this tablet. So starting from the name, it is going to be called the Realme Pad X, and let's talk about the specifications in detail now. The tablet is going to look all similar with comparatively thin bezels around the display and an aluminum frame to give it all premium look. The display is going to be an 11 inches LCD panel with 2K resolution, which is like really good, but we're still not sure if it's going to be a high refresh rate display, because if it's not, then this is going to be a big disadvantage compared to Xiaomi Pad 5, which comes with 11 inches LCD display with 2K resolution, but it comes with 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 and Dolby Vision bundled with it. For performance, Realme Pad X is going to be powered by Snapdragon 870 chipset, which is a flagship grade chipset and a really capable chipset to go perfectly with a tablet this size. Then it's gonna come with Realme UI for Pad, which is a customized version of Android 12, and it will come with quad speakers with Dolby Atmos support. Moving to the battery and charging, this tablet is going to feature 8340 mAh battery, which is more than sufficient for this tablet, and to top that battery quickly, it will feature 33 watt fast charging as well. Realme Pad X is going to be 7.1 mm thick, which is perfect for the industry standards, and it is going to support the Realme Pencil stylus as well. Now there's only two things that are left to be known about this tablet, is the price and the availability. So when it comes to the launch date, it is going to be pretty near because all the leaks recently came in, and the leaks are the promotional material, which means the tablet is all done and the brand is all set for the launch. Now when it comes to the pricing, there is nothing about that in the leaks or even in the rumors, but I can assure you that this tablet is not going to be much expensive than the Xiaomi Pad 5, because Xiaomi is the only rival for Realme in India, and Realme always try to outprice Xiaomi's products. Allegedly, this tablet is going to be priced between 25 to 30,000, because if it will be released with a higher price tag than that, then this tablet is not going to do well in the Indian market, where Xiaomi already ruled this category. Alright, so that's it for today guys. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more videos like this one, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.